In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Webull. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Webull application. Then you want to go ahead and select on the center bull icon right over here. So this button right over here, and then it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. And all we're going to be doing now is we're going to be going to the top blue menu, and we're going to be selecting over here where it does say transfer. Then we're going to go ahead and select on the option that says transfer money. Now, if it's your first time ever using Webull, then you will need to go ahead and connect a debit or bank account to your Webull account, which we already did over here. But alternatively, you guys can go ahead and link a bank account or, of course, a debit card as well. Or you can even go ahead and set up a wire transfer. So there's really a lot of different options for you guys. So once you went ahead and connected your debit card, then you will be able to access the switching button. So in the center over here, we got like two arrows right over here in the center. And all you got to do is just press on that. And from there, you guys can go ahead and now withdraw money from Webull to the bank account or debit card that you did just input. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and put in the amount of money that you would like to withdraw, and then go ahead and press on review, and it might ask you to do some more confirmations, but all you need to do is just press on confirm. And just like that, you are able to withdraw money from Webull. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.